I'm Jonathan Marable. I'm one of the business support specialists with the Brooklyn Chamber of Commerce, and we're here today to celebrate the grand opening of the Corner Kitchen.
Welcome everyone. For those of you guys who don't know me, my name is Sahara, and for those of you that do, thank you for coming.
We're here at Prospect and Eastern Parkway, so if you're driving down Eastern Parkway heading to Jackie Robinson, just come on by, pull over here, get some nice food.
It's been months in the making, and I really appreciate the love and the support that you all have given me.
I met Sahara at a food and beverage conference, and who would have thought randomly running into her would have resulted in the opening of a business.
Thank you. Oh my God, I love Brooklyn so much. Oh, this is awesome, the Corner Kitchen.
We're bringing out my snow cone machine at some point, so yeah. And her desserts are amazing. Yes, we have banana bread and carrot cake.
1, 2, 3.
Yay!
It's just a great success story here in Brownsville.
We're open!
You let them know this is a great place.